We've worked thousands of hours to do our very best and make everyone happy. And now we're ready to celebrate because we've just received an amazing review we're excited to share. Take a look. This is a great example of the customized approach we take with everyone we serve. With our company, you get nothing less than the very best every single time we work with you. It's just one of the many things that sets us apart from our competitors. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. Call the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.